Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to join servers in Minecraft on Nintendo Switch 2. Alright, let's begin. To join custom servers, you need two things. You must be signed into your Microsoft account on Minecraft, and you must have an active Nintendo Switch Online subscription, because custom servers require online multiplayer. I currently do not have the subscription, which is why the button isn't visible for me. But if you do have an active subscription, you can follow these steps normally. First, open Minecraft and select Play. Go to the Friends tab. Now select Search for Players and choose Gamertag. Type in BC Main. Once the profile appears, add this player as a friend by pressing the plus button. After that, also search for and add BC Main 1 as a backup. Once added, return to your friends list. When they show online, select their world to join. After joining, select Connect to a server, enter the server IP, and add it to your server list if you plan to join again. So that's basically how you can join servers in Minecraft on Nintendo Switch 2. That's it for this video. Thanks!